Okay, so what is up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm just going to be showing you guys how you guys can build a calculator. So first we're going to be creating numbers. So creating number one. Okay, sorry. Number one int input. So we're going to ask the user to input a number. So here we're going to write number one, do that. And actually I forgot the main thing, which is to put that. Okay. So for now we are gonna take ctrlx and just done. So this is how it should look like. Actually put a space, and now there's a cool shortcut, alt shift and down arrow key. Do that and just replace this with 2, and this is gonna be the number 2. So let's run this. Number 1 2 and number 2 2. Okay, so over here we're gonna be creating a we're going to be creating a symbol int input number 2. No, actually let's ask them for the symbol. So what symbol are they going to be using? We're just going to ask them, like the user is going to type a symbol. So here hopefully we are going to use the if statement. So if symbol is equal to is equals additions. Okay, so this is going to be like the addition symbol. We are gonna print this number 1 at number 2, and if we run the Python code, number 1 2 and number 2 4, symbol addition. Hopefully it should give a 6. Okay, no, I actually did a problem in my code. I'm supposed to remove this int. Sorry, 2 4 addition sign, and it should give us 6. Boom, there we have it. So that was pretty cool. Now we are going to be using the elif statement. Elif. Also I'm using Repl.it because I think it's one of the best code editors out there. So yeah, you can use it too. I'm going to be providing a link in the description. So yeah, elif symbol boop boop minus, and here we're going to be printing out the same thing, except for this fact we're going to be writing minus number 2. So here is the input, and we are just going to be printing the input out. We're just going to be subtracting. So suppose the user, okay, let me just actually show it to you guys. 4 2 subtraction symbol, it should give us 2. Boom, there we have it. So that's pretty cool. And let's move on. A leaf statement. Elif symbol is equal. Now we are going to be adding a multiplication sign. So on Windows you actually gotta use this. It's gonna just do shift and 8. You're gonna get this, which is gonna be on Windows. We call this a multiplication sign on like Windows, because there's no X kind of thing. Like you can just use X, but then it won't be a mathematical like symbol. It will just be a word or a letter. So yeah, now let's print number 1 into number 2. Okay, boom. And here, now if you guys know programming, you're probably gonna say that, okay, so I'm gonna be using an else statement. Now if you know programming, you're probably gonna say that, wait, just use the else statement to end it all. But suppose the user enters a word over here. Suppose he enters like WA or anything, it should print out a message. So first let's actually finish this up. So alright, do that, print actually number 1 number 2. Okay, that's it. Do that. Now the user is probably gonna enter something. So if he enters anything off of these addition, subtraction, multiplication symbols, we're gonna print out a message saying that, hey, that's not a symbol, that's something else. Invalid symbol. Okay, that's it. That's perfect. So our calculator is done. It's really simple. You can use it. Let's actually test our calculators. So I'm gonna go 6 to division 3. Okay, so it puts like, okay, you can just use a float statement for division, which I don't think it's good for a beginner because it will be too much. So yeah, let's do another one. Let's do multiplication 3 multiplication 9. So that's pretty cool. Now the final step is to see if it actually works, and it should print out invalid symbol if we put something else. So here, and if I put that, okay, it should print out saying invalid symbol. Okay, there you go. Okay, so I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe, because in the next tutorial I'm actually going to be showing you guys how you guys can build this kind of calculator. So okay, in like the next tutorial we're going to be using Python to build this kind of calculator, and not something which is pretty much going to be printing out stuff on the terminal. So yeah, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.